So you can see the trail right there. I need to cut it. It's covered in leaves right now, but okay. So this is my garden. I actually just finally got the white paint for it. Lots of roses. I know these are fake flowers because it was winter and everything was dead, but there's actually kiwi that grows over around it. So cherry trees, they're doing really well. Lime tree, orange tree. Actually, it's a tangerine. Is it tangerine? No, it's a mandarin tree. These are, a lot of these plants are for landscaping around the property. These are all going to be by the pool one day. Same with that guy. He's going to go up in the corner. So, strawberries. My roses, which looks like these ones are particularly done, but they got new blossoms coming, so it's cool. Same with these. All those queen palms are going to go out in the field, line the field out. This is a giant grapefruit tree that I grew from seed, so it is as tall as me now, which is cool. We have a lot of fun here at the farm. It's great. We love it. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to the video. I'm being stalked by a puppy here. Everywhere I go, he goes. Hey, you little monkey butt, come here. There he is. All right, guys. Thanks, and have a great day, and we'll see you later. Woo!